must live in the moment, allowing every sense to be a perfect note you can feel on your skin. See with your heart. Taste with your mind. Hear with your soul. Because when every note is perfect, it's a symphony. Prepare to feel more in every moment. Introducing the all-new Lexus NX.
And now I'm delighted to welcome Spyros Fotinos to the stage.
Hello everyone, and thank you for joining us at this exclusive media preview of the all-new Lexus NX. My name is Spyros Fotinos, and I'm the head of Lexus Europe and the head of EV planning. It's my pleasure to share with you the defining role that the new NX will play in shaping the future of our brand and in driving our European growth ambitions. The second generation NX replaces a model that has been very successful. More than 170,000 have been sold in Europe, the vast majority of them to first-time Lexus buyers, making NX a true conquest champion. To build on this success, we knew we had to do more, and as you'll see, we have. We looked at every aspect of the vehicle and asked ourselves, how could we do even more for our customers? We're not just talking about content or technology, we're also talking about the engagement, the vitality that people will feel. From the rewarding driving experience and sense of control when you're at the wheel, or from the comfortable and exceptionally crafted cabin full of the latest tech, as well as the individuality of Lexus Brave design, combined with the reassurance of a class-leading standard safety system. And of course, from being valued as a Lexus customer, a feeling that no other brand can replicate. So in fact, the new NX has been conceived and engineered to allow you to feel more in every moment of your journey. And that statement reflects our ability to match technology with the human-centered quality of the Lexus brand and the new NX. The significance of the new NX goes beyond the launch of an individual model. It marks the beginning of a new chapter for Lexus. NX was chosen to lead Lexus into our next chapter, not only because it represents a step change in the vehicle itself, but also it brings a change to the way we develop our vehicles. Chief Engineer Takeaki Kato will tell us more about the priorities for the new car and how they took the success of the original model to a higher level. Let's take a look.
With its sporty performance in the city and its strong, distinctive design, the current NX has been adding color to our customers' active lifestyles since its introduction in 2014. It has been loved by a wide range of customers in 95 countries and regions around the world, and with total sales of around 1 million units. It is one of the highest volume vehicles in the Lexus brand and has grown to become a global core model. The new NX is a first model of the Lexus brand evolution. It has been designed to meet the diverse lifestyle of customers around the world by completely renewing the key pillars of the car, such as electrification, design, driving signatures, and advanced technologies. In order to strengthen the product appeal, in preparation for the upcoming full-scale use of electric vehicles, we will introduce the first PHEV to the NX, the global core model of Lexus, in addition to the HEV to lead this movement. For design, to achieve the dynamic performance, distinctive styling, and exceptional utility of an SUV, we started by verifying the packaging in detail so that we could build the right proportion into the vehicles from the very beginning. For driving, we are pursuing the unique Lexus driving signature where the pleasure of deceleration, steering, and acceleration seamlessly connect under various driving situations, and the linear response is faithfully executed according to the driver's intention. In addition, in the new NX, we focus on the drive force control and then reviewed how the car moves to achieve the driving experience that delivers high traction power and confidence. Specifically, the car turns exactly according to the steering input, and the traction is fully transmitted to any surface. We have realized a confident driving experience where the tires firmly grip the road surface. The engineers and the car were repeatedly tested and developed at the Shimoyama test course, where harsh driving environments from around the world were replicated in order to raise performance to the highest level.
In designing the new NX, the goal was clear: evolve our design language while staying true to the Lexus L&S design philosophy and to the identity of the NX itself. Here's Lexus Design General Manager Koichi Suga to tell us more.
For the NX, we began to rigorously improving the fundamentals of the vehicle so that we could fully pursue the ideal proportions, with the aim of creating a design that blends vitality with the advanced technology. We preserved the provocative avant-garde image of the current model and added more depth and resulting in the captivating, mature look.
This is a car that is instantly recognizable as an NX, but is more sophisticated with a confident, muscular stance that reflects its more engaging character. Beyond the way the car looks, there is genuine purpose to the design, what Koichi Suga calls functional beauty. As you walk around the car, you can see how every angle has been carefully considered. Through the L&S design approach, sharp lines are seamlessly blended with smooth and elegant forms, creating a really eye-catching look. The NX shows a different expression of itself from every viewing angle. And the LX spindle grille, a signature feature of Lexus design, has also evolved and has become an integral part of the car's overall form, giving a confident stance. This is further accentuated by the short overhangs, the wide track, large wheels, and flared wings, which project a sense of agility and sure-footed performance. Inside, we have introduced a completely new cabin architecture with a driver-oriented cockpit and a more open, relaxing space for the passenger. The NX is the first model to use our new Tazuna cockpit layout. The shape, the orientation, and functionality of the controls, as well as the information displays, are precisely calculated so they quickly become intuitive to operate. The aim is to inspire confidence and reduce distractions, allowing the driver to feel more connected with their car and feel more from the driving experience. To complement this, our focus for the front passenger was to create a greater sense of space and luxurious comfort. And as you would expect from a Lexus, you will also see examples of the incredible Takumi craftsmanship that sets Lexus apart in the use of high-quality materials and flawless finishing. The in-cabin experience has been taken to the next level by a brand new connectivity and multimedia platform, providing smart technologies to keep people informed, entertained, and in touch when on the move. The huge 14-inch Lexus Link Pro high-definition touch display is one of the largest and most vibrant in the segment, and its new operating system is 3.6 times faster than the current platform. This means fluid touchscreen operation, lightning-fast response, and the ability to introduce more and more advanced features. Just say, "Hey Lexus," and the new assistant makes life on board even more convenient, responding to natural language dialogue and offering a list of capabilities that will continue to expand. And where local connectivity allows, access to the advanced cloud navigation provides real-time journey information without drawing on your data plan, since this comes as standard. Under the skin, the new NX's global architecture K platform is the basis for its superior dynamic performance. This gives the car a lower center of gravity, a wider track, and much greater body rigidity. Our goal is to deliver what we call the Lexus driving signature. And this means exceptional levels of comfort and quietness with excellent driving dynamics. The car's throttle, steering, and braking response are fully faithful to the driver's intentions at every moment. To fully leverage these new developments, we're also introducing a wider and more dynamic range of powertrains. Most notably, our first ever plug-in hybrid electric model, the NX 450h Plus. Born from the extensive experience gained through our luxury hybrid leadership, the 450h Plus will be the reference plug-in model for the segment. 306 horsepower, 0 to 100 kilometers in about 6 seconds, and a 63-kilometer best-in-class EV driving range with CO2 emissions below 40 grams per kilometer. Of course, as the hybrid leader and in the spirit of NX, there's more. Our PHEV system will deliver significantly greater efficiency than our competitors when the battery charge has been depleted, and we estimate that improvement to be at least 20%. And this is key, as we know customers in this category will often make longer journeys. This is also why the NX has one of the largest fuel tanks in the segment at 55 liters. And this without compromising boot space, which is just as large as that in the NX Hybrid. No intrusion from the PHEV system. There's also space under the deckboard where the charging cable can be stowed, which is appropriate for a luxury vehicle. So clearly, NX will be the reference PHEV that offers more. At the same time, we're strengthening our electrified offering with the new NX 350h, featuring our 4th generation self-charging hybrid system. 22% more power, 15% quicker acceleration with 0 to 100 in just 7.7 seconds, yet we expect CO2 emissions to be reduced by around 10%. In addition, 2 new petrol engines will also be available for Russia and our East European markets. A new 2.5-liter engine with 199 horsepower will allow the NX to compete in the heart of the market. And we will also introduce a powerful new Halo engine, a 2.4-liter turbo with 279 horsepower and 430 newton meters of torque. It will take the NX's capabilities to a higher level with shorter gear ratios in the 8-speed automatic transmission and a new permanent all-wheel drive system. It's combined with dynamic torque control and pre-torque loading. This gives better grip in all conditions, and for on-road driving, even better control for stable, faster exiting from corners. Class-leading safety features will add to the confidence the driver will feel in the new NX. It comes with our next-generation Lexus Safety System Plus, a comprehensive package that sets a new benchmark in the segment. The features and operating range for collision detection have been further improved with extended warning and avoidance functions. These cover 36% more driving scenarios where there's a high risk of an accident, protecting those inside the car and those outside, including cyclists and pedestrians. One of the ingenious new features is the e-latch electronic door release. The convenience of an elegant, fluid, one-motion entry and exit works in conjunction with the blind spot monitor to prevent the door from being opened into the path of traffic or cyclists coming from the rear. Leadership in safety is also about accessibility, and we remain committed to making the advanced technologies of Lexus Safety System Plus available to all our customers. In fact, with the new NX, the Lexus Safety System Plus will be provided as standard on all versions and in all European markets. And this is safety leadership in practice. We're also able to use our safety system's camera, radar, and control unit to introduce new convenience and assistance features. For example, our automatic parking has been further enhanced to provide smooth and easy operation and a memory function for spaces the driver uses most often. The introduction of the next generation NX helped build substantial growth for our brand in Europe. The all-new NX is well equipped to do even more with new and improved electrified powertrains, competitive new engines for our Eastern markets, and a wealth of new technologies. Sophisticated, new styling, and a superior dynamic performance will strengthen its appeal and help us maintain our growth trajectory in Europe. In closing, it's clear that we have great ambitions for the new NX and are confident that it will achieve higher sales in a segment that has become larger and more competitive than ever before. Thank you again for joining us today, and we look forward to having you discover the new NX and how much more it has to offer.